Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I would love to talk about Duppoly. They gave me the sample. Thank you, Duppoly, for the sample, and it's a lace vintage women's dress. So it has lace here. It looks so pretty. It looks so beautiful. Mine is in color black, as you can see, and you can match it with your favorite um, earrings and necklaces. It has a zipper in the back, so I did need my husband's help to put it on. It fits true to the size. I'm a size medium, so it is a little, it fits true to the size around this area, but it's not too tight. And here is just obviously it's loose. I like the flowers. I like it because it's very casual. You can use it for summer. Since I'm not too tall, it goes below my knee, but it's supposed to be more or less here for people that are tall. I enjoy it. I can use it anywhere. I can match it with a lot of things. Thank you for watching my video.